There is an awful lot in the news about AI and how it is replacing creativity and the written word. Well, as you know, I am the superstar communicator and I'm about spoken communication. I believe that AI is really, really powerful and will make a genuine difference in our lives. However, we still need to have that human connection when we communicate with others. Hence the fact that I'm doing a video today. I want us to think about how we can maintain that human connection, because a computer generated set of texts, blogs, won't necessarily have that human connection and to be able to build trust. This week, in fact, I'm delivering a workshop, a virtual one, on social media, specifically about how we can bring that human connection, different things we can do to maintain that and to remind people that we are not a robot. I'd be happy to chat to you about the content and how I could deliver it for your organisation too. Thank you very much for watching.